Hello everyone. This review is going to be very special for the women, especially today I'm going to review a very nice perfume, Coco Noir by Chanel. Hello everyone. Welcome to my brand new channel Just Fragrances. If you are new on my channel, I kind request to you, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon as well. I'm going to tell you everything about this perfume. Its accords, its notes, its base note or middle notes. So let's try this one. Wow. As I said earlier, this is one of the nicest perfume when it comes to its fragrance and its smell, which is very woody, warm, spicy, a nice flavor in it of rose. So more you will gonna feel it will be rose and some spicy, crunchy, and let's say a kind of sparkling type of smell in this particular perfume. The first note of this perfume contains bergamot orange. So when you spray first, it will give you a very nice sharp fragrance around you, and which will be there for a little time, and quickly it will move to its second note. After the first note, it will just start moving to its second note very quickly in a very small time, where you're going to feel so much rose, jasmine with peach. So this second note going to be a very fruity, flory. So the thing is, like, when you apply on this from the first spray, you're going to have it all this bergamot orange, a sharp note which is very loudy, and everyone can feel it who will be around you when you will spray this perfume. But that first note will not be there for a very long time. It will quickly move to its second note, which will be like let's say more on rose. You're gonna feel it so much. Yeah, you're gonna feel it rose very strongly, plus jasmine, a little touch of jasmine you're gonna feel it in this, and then you're gonna feel little fruity. The notes will start moving around these three fragrances, which is rose, jasmine, and peach. So more yeah, you're going to feel more the second note as compared to the first note. First note, as I said, it will not last for a long time, but the second note is what you're going to feel it more. So when it's moved to second note, you're going to smell more jasmine, rose, a good combination of both of them, and then you will find some touch of a kind of peach smell. So together this peach and orange and jasmine and all of this fruity, flavory smells in the middle note, which you are going to feel more than the first note. So the second note will not wipe up so quickly. Actually, it will take a lot of time. You're gonna feel the second note for a couple of hours, let's say for more than 3 to 4 hours. The note of this flory fragrance will be there with jasmine, rose, and peach, let's say for more than 3 or 2 hours. When it comes to its design, if you see the bottle, it is a very nice, sleek, and sexy design. I can say that it is very nice, sleek, a very fine type of design you're going to see on the bottle. It looks very nice. It has a batch code and all the details of the perfume at the bottom. So this is where you're going to find all the related details. On the other hand, this, if you can see, this little details here are not stickered. It is embossed or printed on the bottle itself. So a little tip for you to find a original, or let's say a legit perfume, so you will not have any other fake items. So when it comes to the design, as I said, it is one of the nicest design, and the smell of this Coco Noir, it's more mature, I will say. It is more woody, mysterious. Let's say why it is woody. The reason for it to be more woody and mysterious type of fragrance, it has sandalwood. So in its base note, what you're going to feel it more will be sandalwood, tonka bean, which makes this fragrance more strong in the base note. And then on the other hand, you're going to feel it still a little spicy fragrance you're going to feel from this, and that because of the cloves that you're going to feel it. And the base note also is very strong note in this particular perfume. As I said, the first note will be like a more sharper, but it will be there for a quick time, let's say for a small time. But the second note will be there for more than 3 hours to 4 hours. Now it will move to slightly, it will start moving to its base note, which is, when it comes to the base note, it is more stronger in terms of woody fragrance, in terms of mysterious. The smell, you are going to feel it around you, within your clothes, within your body. It's not a skin type of scent, I can tell you. It's not going to be blend with your skin smell, but it will be there around your clothes, around your body. So going, anyone who's with the distance of, let's say, a talking distance, he can smell you well. So one of the interesting part of this perfume, this is a grown version of Coco Mademoiselle. If you know that Coco Mademoiselle, it is more a kind of immature fragrance. In my opinion, it is a kind of immature fragrance. When you will use this, if anyone who knows Coco Noir, they will realize that this perfume, it is like a more mature, like for the professional or women who are more than 24, I would say. Yeah, and it is their perfume. They know what kind of fragrance this perfume contains. And on the other hand, when we talk about the young women may not going to like the perfume. The fragrance from the start till the end, it is very versatile. You can wear it wherever you want. It is not a only party type of perfume. It is not only the office wear perfume. You can wear on any occasion. You don't have to wait for summer, or you don't have to wait for winter. So a very nice item, a very nice fragrance by Chanel Coco Noir. Then we will talk about the longevity. The longevity of this perfume will be, let's say, 9 hours or more. But after 9 hours, you're still going to feel this perfume within your body or around you, within your clothes. But the fragrance will be more woody, more mysterious, let's say a more dark kind of a smell in the base note, that you are going to feel it after 9 hours. A 98% to 90% women, they may going to like this perfume very well. The reason, it is more floral in its second note, a more sharp in the first note. It is more mysterious, more dark, and more woody scent when it comes to the base note. The longevity of the perfume has a very nice, decent fragrance, which can be used on everyday basis. You don't have to wait any special occasion. But if you do wear it in the evening parties, in the dinners, you're going to have so many compliments. So many people are going to ask you what kind of perfume you are using, and this is where it will make more attraction on your personality. So I would say I will recommend, actually, it is more best if you use it in the evening parties. It is more good if you are in such cool, dry environment. As I said, the women who like a kind of mature fragrance which contains some dark and mysterious smell in it. So this is what you're going to have it. One of the very nice item from Chanel Coco Noir, a very elegant women's perfume. When it comes to the women's perfume, I would say one of the very elegant perfume. The reason of this, it has everything. So it will start from citrus, where you are going to feel it so much orange, bergamot, and some sharp notes. Then it will move to flowery, fruity, where you're going to feel more fruity and flory smell or fragrance in it. then it will move to its base note where you're going to feel more woody sandalwood. You will feel it sandalwood a lot in the fragrance. It will be dark, mysterious, still sharp because of the cloves, because of the tonka bean. So I will recommend all the women who haven't tried this perfume, try for one time. You're gonna love this product, you're gonna love the smell, especially the base note, especially the mid notes. As I said, the first note will be more sharper, but will not stay for a very long time. So but when it comes to the second and third base note, I can tell you, you're going to fall in love with the fragrance of this perfume. When it's come to the price, the prices are not much. You're going to have it like in $100 to $130, which is a very valuable price, I will say, for this particular perfume. Since it lasts for more than 8 hours, it performs very good. When it comes to the base note, it is more mysterious, dark. This Chanel Coco Noir, by the way, Noir means a dark black or a black, if I'm not wrong. On the other hand, the design of this bottle, it is also very amazing. As I said, the design of the bottle is one of my favorite design when it comes to the Chanel products. So it is a very nice bottle, 100 ml. What I'm holding in my hand, it is a perfume version, which is more concentrated, I will say, and it is more sharp and strong fragrance. In these days, you won't see so many people are using this, but still the women who use this for a while, or let's say even once, they know the fragrance of this perfume. They know how long it will last, they know where it will perform very well. So as I said, it is a more mature version of Coco Mademoiselle, and this is more fancy, classy, dark, mysterious. So all the women who like those kind of fragrances, do try this. You're gonna love this product, Coco Noir by Chanel. Hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed the review on Coco Noir by Chanel. If you do, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so whenever I will upload any type of video, you will get the notification. Bye bye.